Papa Blue Shirt here. I'm gonna tear down my greenhouse today. Nice day today. As I've said in times past, I just couldn't seem to get in the habit of growing in greenhouse. I've had this up for 5 years and I think I've pulled maybe 3 or 4 tomatoes out of it. Didn't do nothing with it any other time. Things would just get so hot in there and it would burn up. Of course, there are people who really know how to grow in a greenhouse, and I just can't seem to get the hang of it. But this is a little greenhouse. If you want to make yourself a little greenhouse, this is what I did. It seemed really nice in concept, but all I've been able to grow is weeds. And it could be because I'm right on the edge of the garden here too, kind of in the shade, right on the edge. It gets sunshine for like 4 or 5 hours a day, but anyways, that's what I'm going to do today. You see, I use this twine on the outside to hold it all together, but I gave it to someone and I'm going to take it apart for her. Well, there you have it. Got her done. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Be able to use that as a trellis now. Plant my beans. My beans or whatever else I want to try over there. So we'll see how that goes. Alrighty, Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching.